Hey, you know, that's a point. I just talked to Jim, the painter, and he's using this universal primer. You don't have to use Kelbond. Just look, if you get a universal primer, see if it seals stains. Now this one here, see right there, seals stains, graffiti, and tannin blend, rust inhibitive. You get something like that. If you have any questions about water stains in your existing ceiling or your walls, this is going to prime and seal right over it. You use a regular PVA primer or different sealers, and if it doesn't cover water stains, you're in trouble, because those water stains will show. I don't care how many coats of paint, they'll bleed it right through. So the universal primer is a good thing.
And not that more expensive price-wise, but save you time.
Yeah, you said it was what, like $19 a gallon?
Yeah, you can get it, pick it up on sale for 19. It usually runs 24.
And that sounds like a lot for primer, but you know, if you use Kills, you've got to get the Kills, and then that's pretty expensive too. You know, so try that and look into it next time you've got any questions about water stains.
Exactly.
Maybe she's gonna run